Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to install NumPy in Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. So installing this is a straightforward process. And for us to be able to begin, you'll just need to open Visual Studio Code or launch it onto your Windows 11 system. Now the next step is to open the Python project in which you want to use NumPy, or you could create a new Python file. So to create a new Python file, you'll just head here onto the file, click onto the new file, and then right after, just add in a name of your file, and then just add .py onto the bottom part so that it should be recognized as a Python file. Now to open a file or a Python file, I have one already in here. We'll just have to locate the folder here, click onto the project, and it should look something like this. And then right after, we need to open the terminal. So in Visual Studio Code, you could find the terminal here onto the upper part. Just click onto the three dots in here, click onto terminal, and click onto new terminal. So you should be able to find it also in here, the shortcut key for that. So you'll just have to click onto this. And then right after, it should open something like this onto the bottom part of the screen. Now, we need to activate the virtual environment. So if you're using a virtual environment for your project, which is recommended, you'll just need to go ahead and activate that one. And for us to be able to activate this or to find in what you're using, you'll just have to click here onto the bottom part of your screen. So this is the current virtual environment that we're in. Now, if you click onto that, you should be able to use another interpreter or environment for that. So since this one is recommended, we'll just have to keep using that one. Now, right after, once this one is already set, we're going to go ahead and install NumPy already. So since we're onto the terminal already, this is the code that we're going to use to start running the command. So this one, and then you'll just have to click onto enter. So as you can see, we have installed this already onto our device. If you haven't onto your end, you should be able to see some things in here such as downloading or something like that. So you'll just need to wait for that one to be finished, and you should be able to find in a message that it is successfully installed. Then right after the installation process completes, you can verify that NumPy is installed correctly by importing it in a Python script or the Python interpreter and checking for any errors. So you could just simply type it in here also onto the first part of your project. Let's close the terminal. And it should look something like this. So you'll just need to type this one in here, and then right after, you can start using it into your Python script. So you'll just need to import this at the beginning of your Python files, just like any other Python packages. So by following these steps, you should be able to install NumPy and start using it onto your Python projects within Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.